So we're starting off the day with an oil change, correct?
Yes.
And then later today, we are gonna go hang out with Anthanee and Meredith and do a picnic and play some volleyball.
Wait. Need my oil drain pan.
We got our little buddy helping out. Don't we, Maisie? You gonna be a helper? Hey. Our little helper. Yeah.
Yeah.
Since the last time we vlogged, I know I uploaded 3 in one day, sorry. We've been to Arizona. I got my nails done. Very pretty, much love. I got my hair dyed. Tito's cousin Cindy did it, and I love it. It's amazing. It's silver with some dark roots. It's wet right now because I just took a shower. And Maisie has herself tangled up. That's not how you're supposed to do things, Maisie. What is you doing, girl? Right.
We did an oil change on the car, so I've been procrastinating on it so much. It's finally done. Since the car has been sitting for so long, and it's just dirty oil in it the whole time, like that engine's more responsive, better, and we should get better gas mileage. That's about it.
Currently, we are going to drop off Maisie at Tito's house, and then we're gonna go to Anthanee's to hang out with him and Meredith. We're gonna have a picnic. I'm really hungry right now, so. So Tito ordered some toe straps for the Miata, and my plan with those is to get aluminium door cards. Aluminum. I just like to mess around with Tito and say aluminium. But, and I'm gonna paint on them and do like a design of something. I'm not sure of what yet. I'm still debating. I was gonna do sunflowers, but now I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, I'm excited. Because they're really cool. I like them a lot.
We're gonna go wash Anthony's car today, and then we're gonna go on a picnic. Right, Grace?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anthony's getting his driveway done, so he has this huge bump, and he scrapes his exhaust on it. But oh well.
How's it going, Tito?
Does that answer your question? We should have just bought the ones that guy had with the black inserts, because then we could have just popped it on there.
What? I mean, maybe I could have fixed this one. But not anymore because of that.
I can still fix this one.
So, I don't know if you can tell, but that was a fail. We tried. Anthanee and Tito tried for a while, and then I tried, and there were just some creases that we could not get out. So we're gonna buy a new one and try again another time. And now we're gonna go on a picnic. By the way, it is hot out, like 80s, 90s hot. I'm pretty sure I tanned a tiny bit sitting outside for that long. But yeah, my hair is finally dry from my shower this morning, which is really nice. It took, what time is it? About 3 hours. Because I don't like blow drying my hair because it turns out looking like a lion's mane, and I'd rather not.
Hi.
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 How's it going?
Terrible.
Tito's a little upset that he couldn't get it to work.
Yeah, because I got to buy it again.
Tis okay. We'll get it next time. It's all good in the hood. Are you ready for the picnic?
I guess.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. They're currently playing volleyball. Meredith, Anthanee, and Tito. I was playing for a little bit, and then I messed up my wrists again, so now I'm just hanging out in the grass.
No. Oh yeah, they still record us. This always goes bad.
That's the
You found
point.
it easier when I was on top.
Yeah, you do it.
Oh.
Yeah. Right here, right? Ta-da! Wanna go down? From the water bottle.
I heard a bone crack.
There goes my arm. Don't pop.
Don't pop your wrist.
Are you okay?
I can do that.
Do that.
I don't know.
I don't think you can do that. Wait, I want to jump in first.
Get out?
Yeah.
You want the first? First or top? Grace, you want to get in? No.
Okay, go.
Hey, let's get over. Come on.
Hi, Grace.
Lame.
He hopped in.
Here's my water. Ow.
You hopping in?
No, I'm pushing.
Oh, you're pushing. Grace, you're weak though.
Here, you vlog.
Grace is going faster than Andrew.
That's sad. Anthanee.
Yeah?
I think that's the fastest
Yeah.
it goes.
Really?
Hi.
I couldn't get it to go faster.
Double team this.
Come on! Why doesn't go fast on Thursday?
I want to come sit up there.
I'm getting dizzy.
I'm gonna get dizzy, so I don't want to spin. But hi. Hey, friends.
I think she's waiting for us to spin it though.
Grace, you gotta introduce Aunt and Meredith to
No.
the vlog.
This is Meredith, and this is Anthanee.
Huh?
I kind of already did that at one point. Oh no.
No.
Oh no. I'm gonna get dizzy. Ew.
Tito,
What?
jump off. You won't.
No, I'm not going to die. I can't die today. Yeah?
No one's spinning it, so.
I'm dizzy.
Jump off.
Not making you more dizzier. I don't want to
Go on.
I want to get off.
Up here?
I guess not. I guess I'm stuck. Oh no.
It's a lot starting on the outside.
Oh boy. Grace is dizzy. Grace is done.
Who jumped out?
Man down.
Man down indeed. Hi.
Oh.
You're busy.
This is so hard. Hey, you go on it first.
Wawa.
You're
Can't do that.
Oh, come on. You guys want to go on?
Go, Grace, go.
I'm gonna
Go,
end up
Grace, go.
actually breaking my wrist.
Not yours. Ryan. Aw.
Thank you.
Oh, thanks. You're very sweet, Brian. Uy.
Dogger.
Wild Tito.
Aw.
Alright.
Red thing. Oh, she cool. I kidding.
Showed us up.
I'm just not talented. I really am not.
Okay, sure.
Oh, thanks.
Ready?
I'm not leaving you there. We can just say hi. You want to go say hi to Matt?
Having fun?
Yeah,
How's your day at the park?
that's how good it is.
Nice.
Look how their butts go up in the air. Just like. What if they break it?
I wouldn't be surprised if they did. We're gonna do a group driving lesson. So Meredith is gonna be driving the Subi and I'm gonna be driving the Miata. And we're gonna learn more of what we already have done. And I am absolutely terrified that I'm gonna break the car.
You got this. You're not gonna break the car.
I'm scared. We're going to an empty parking lot at ECC. I'm gonna mess up. Oh, there's the campus police. There they are, behind us. In Anthanee City.
Do it.
It's like normal.
You can do it.
That's safety first.
No, always your car will start annoying you.
Yeah, that's it.
Beep, beep.
Ready to get out.
Painless performance.
And one, bro. Man, look at my lady go. She's ready for Miata.
Hi.
Hi. I drove in second gear.
What's with me? Like what? 5 times in Meredith?
Yeah.
Look at her go. Yeah, she's gonna be paying for gas though.
One time we drove like around like to back here, and I had the e-brake up like halfway the whole time and didn't even realize. Alright, now we are going to pick up Maisie and we're going home. Anthanee and Meredith are going home. Meredith's driving home. So I had fun. It was a struggle at first. It was scary. And then I got used to it. It's kind of, not really, but I tried. And then, yeah, I drove in second gear. First time shifting. I didn't go into third yet, because I don't know. I just didn't want to do it yet. But I had fun. Now we're gonna go home, get Maisie, and then go home actually.
You heard that?
Yeah. I'm definitely gonna have to get used to dodging potholes and bumps because we scrape on everything. My mom is making like fajitas and tacos for dinner or something like that. I don't know. It should be fun.